Dreamworks Realtors stand as a beacon of excellence in the real estate realm, led by the very visionary and versatile Mr. Narendra Balwadkar. A trailblazer of architectural innovation, construction quality, and client-centric services, Dreamworks Realtors promises a pinnacle of luxury living. Namaste and greetings everyone. I, Yasha Palankar, am thrilled and excited to be guiding you through Dreamworks Realtors' latest project, Dream Del Monte, which is nestled in the picturesque local of Bavdan, Pune. From the moment you step in, you're greeted by nature's serenity and this lovely ambience. Located just 2 minutes away from Chandni Chowk, Dream Del Monte boasts an unmatched connectivity and convenience. One word that comes to my mind after entering this property is glamorous. As you can see, as I entered into the property, an opulent and luminous lobby is here to greet me. And this is providing us with an expansive interiors, excellent location, and wonderful amenities, setting an excellent stage for the luxurious living. Dream Del Monte meticulously designed 2 and 3 BHK residences, each a testament to modern luxury and natural beauty living. The 2 BHK spans around 825 square feet, while the 3 BHK offers around 1110 square feet. These homes are crafted to elevate your experience of living, offering spacious rooms and panoramic views of verdant landscapes. Upon opening the door, you are greeted by a luxurious and lavish lobby, measures up to 5 by 4.9 feet. And every apartment here comes with a video door phone system, access control lobbies, and also biometric locks. Now, as we enter, you can see that the living room area easily blends with the dining area, where it easily radiates just comfort and true luxury. As you see, the living area spans of 12 by 16 feet and the dining area comprises of 8.5 by 9 feet. Each apartment boasts of a luxurious balcony which measures of 12 by 5 feet. Plus, as an added touch, enjoy a complimentary vertical garden which enhances the allure of your balcony space. The balcony is fitted with 600 by 600 mm anti-skid tiles and aluminium glass railings. All units boast a generous ceiling height of 10 feet and are adorned with 800 mm by 1600 mm vitrified tiles in the living area, dining kitchen, lobby, and bedrooms. Schneider branded modular switchboards enhanced the interiors of every apartment. Let's explore the state-of-an-art of kitchen sized of 8.6 by 10 feet, where you will receive this beautiful, lovely granite countertop adorned with designer dado tiles up to 2 feet. The kitchen extends towards the dry balcony with sizes around 7.3 by 4 feet, where we have ensured that you receive all the provisions of electrical as well as plumbing for your washing machine and water purifier, making your daily chores a breeze. Also, the dry balcony is equipped with designer tiles up to sill level. Welcome to the Master Suite, your sanctuary of comfort spanning around 14 by 11 feet, where you get ample space for your relaxation. Every bedroom has huge 8 feet UPVC windows that offer a place to relax and enjoy the beautiful views of surrounding greenery. Adjacent to this master suite is this luxurious bathroom spanning around 7.9 by 5 feet. Adorned with designer glazed 600 by 1200 dado and 600 by 600 flooring tiles, it houses fixtures from Grohe and sanitary fittings from American Standard. It's a blend of functionality and style. The additional bedrooms are thoughtfully designed, ensuring every family member deserves and enjoy their private space. And as we enter the second master suite, you can see that it is comprising of 11 by 12 feet, which also comes with an attached bathroom of 8 by 5 feet. third bedroom, which is the common bedroom, which comprises around 10 by 11 feet. This is your perfect relaxation retreat, your own cozy corner in your own home. And you know what the best part about this room is? It comes with an attached balcony which comprises of 7 by 2.6 feet. Meticulously designed to be Vastu compliant and face the east-west direction, ensuring harmony and positive energy flow. Dream Delmont enjoys a prime location near Chandni Chowk, providing easy access to key amenities like hospitals, schools and IT parks. Its proximity to NH4 ensures quick connections to Baodhan, Kothur and Hinjivdi IT Park, making commuting a breeze. Experience a blend of nature and luxury at Dream Delmont, where meticulously planned landscapes and amenities await you. Spanning over 40,000 square feet, our amenity space features 10 indoor plants, an array of facilities including outdoor exercise stations, stargazing areas, meditation and yoga courts, a fully equipped gym and play parks. Dive into relaxation at the swimming pool with an infinity edge, indulge in outdoor dining at the al fresco area, or enjoy movie nights under the stars at the outdoor movie projection lounge. With adventure parks, party lawns, amphitheater seating, barbecue lounges and more, there's something for everyone to enjoy at Dream Delmont. Join us at Dream Delmont, where luxury meets nature, and let's make your dream home a reality.